Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today we prepare homemade eclairs that taste so much better than store-bought and so easy to make. For the filling, mix together 800 ml of milk with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of starch, and 1 egg. Cook by whisking until thickens. Remove from the heat when it thickens. Transfer into a large bowl, cover with cling film and let it cool. To make the batter, heat 125 grams of butter and 300 ml of water in a pot. When the butter is melted, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of vanilla powder. Cook 2 or 3 minutes, mixing continuously. Remove from the heat and let it cool for 10 minutes. Add 4 eggs, one at a time, beating well to incorporate completely after each addition. When you're done adding the eggs, check the batter. If it's not thick enough to hold its shape when squeezed, gradually add more flour until it reaches the desired consistency. Transfer the batter into a Ziploc bag and close it, or put it into a pastry bag if you have one. Line an oven tray with parchment paper. After cutting the edge of the bag, squeeze the batter onto parchment paper in strips. You can wet your fingers lightly and give the strips a better shape, just like this. Bake in an oven preheated at 180 degrees for 35 minutes without opening the oven door. Let the pastry puffs cool completely after baking. Meanwhile, add 75 grams of chantilly powder into the cold cream and beat using a mixer. Cut the pastry puffs in half and gently pipe the filling into them and replace their tops. Or you can pipe the filling into one end of the pastry puff without cutting. So you repeat doing this for each puff until they are all filled. Finally, dip the top half of filled eclairs into the melted chocolate and place on a serving plate. Refrigerate until serving. Decorate the eclairs in any way you'd like. Enjoy! Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching!